Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna talk about classes. Okay, so we're gonna start talking about object-oriented programming, the paradigm. So to get started, let's just create a class, okay, which is uh, the implementation of an object. So to do that, we're gonna come over here. So you guys need to pay attention to the indentation of the class. Okay, so this is a class, as you guys can see right here. So we can write another class in this same file over here. So let's use class, and I'm gonna create a simple class to make calculations. Okay, so we're gonna create a class. I'm gonna do in this same file, but you could create another file to do that. So the class will be called calculator. Okay, let's add curly brackets. Let's create the method. So to create a method, because we are gonna write a simple class, okay, so let's start by doing the basics. So int is the return type. Okay, so let's add a method called add, which will receive number 1 and number 2. Okay, and let's just return number 1 plus number 2. So this is a trick to get the output in the same line. So the thing is, I have this class. Okay, if I came here and I type calculator, okay, you guys can see that I have access. So let's create a class. To create a class, we're gonna give it a name, in this case calc, and let's use the equal sign, new, instantiate calculator. So we have this object, okay, and to initialize or to make the calculation, you can call calc dot as you guys can see, we don't have the method add. That is because this method is private. Okay, so it is private. To make it public, we're gonna need to add public specifically. Okay, so if you came here now, we're gonna see that we have this method available. Okay, so if I type console.writeLine calculator dot add and pass two numbers such as 4 and 6, and I execute, I'm gonna see that I have this on the screen. So let me drag this over here. Let's run. Okay, so 4 plus 6 is equal 10. So as you guys can see, okay, this is the basics. Thanks for watching the video, guys. See you guys next time.